This is the funniest thing I played so far. Where am I? Yeah, there's me. A flinging paper. There we are. Yeah, that guy got flying. He don't exist no more. Yeah, that also guy got flying. No, my wheel came up. Stop it! Oh my god. Get sent! Okay, now I'm just backing up, but I suck at backing up. So, yeah, it's in 2 times speed because the thing takes 20 minutes off my life. But anyway, so these guys would just play. Was that a copy of my avatar? Anyway, sent 1, sent 2. Haha, he got flu. Haha, he also went flying. Oh my god, these guys are so. Jeez, what? How do you stay still on that one part where you're not meant to stay still? That's like the one rule. You can't stay still. Oh, that was noise. Pow. Pow. Oh, this is the part where this stupid guy kept staying in my thing. And this stupid guy was this guy. Gold. Gold is very kind of annoying. Yeah. He stays here the whole time, not doing anything. I try respawning. I say flip, but he's not flipping. So, and I nearly get out, but this guy is in the way. So I just do it again, and it doesn't work. So I just do that. And then I'm back here. And then that car gets flying. And then this car goes flying. No, I missed that car. And that piece thing, what you get? Oh, those people got sent. I didn't realize those people. Oh, that car. I gotta up my sensitivity. Pause that real quick. Sensitivity. Okay, wow, that was awkward. So yeah, rest in peace, the horsey. Okay, so anyway, that happened, and then yeah, that guy, he got sent. So did that guy. I'll just keep looking behind me so I know when someone crashes or gets flying. Because it's really funny when they get flying, when they start to fly. I messed up. Oh, there's another guy. Oh, nah. This is using the recording in the game. Oh yeah, this guy. I got on the wall. I got into attacking him. He gets cooked. What's in TV? I'm turning off my TV real quick. Oh, and that's why I got stuck. Just stuck. Anyway, so this happened. Whee! He got flying. Oh, I did. Whoa! How do you? These people aren't very good at this game. They aren't great. Wow! That person didn't even get flung by me, I don't think. They just got flying. They just went flying. They used... Yeah, that was definitely 100%, 120,000.9% another ramp car. And that a ramp car is what I'm using. With an invisible driver! Oh, I'm lagging here. Oh, laggy. Oh. It's like I'm a monster car, but how didn't I flip it? Oh. Well, I went for that guy again, but he still landed on his wheels. That guy, he didn't make it. Not did this the guy. Where'd he go? I don't even know where he went. He went somewhere in there. Oh, I still don't know how that happened. What the hell? Anyway, as I was saying, move out the way. Anyway, as I was saying, I like flipping. How many flips did I do that? Can somebody count how many flips I just did? Please. I want to know. Jesus. Patisa. Panosa. Yeah, that's me. I'm the pizza guy. Oh, that player goes, bro, why is he still there? Why is that guy? Oh. Yeah, that's what's funny about this game. How they get flung. And then this person in the chat just said, ah. They said, ah. Someone help a FedEx. Ka! That was the FedEx. Ka! And then I was just my car was just doing drift after getting crashed. No, not again. No, not again. I don't know where. I don't know where you said that. I think it was here. No, I was just doing a drift after getting crashed. Yeah, that's what happened. And then I just start chasing him. No, not again. No, not again. Help me. I can't. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me. That was me. Oh, wait. Whoa, he went kind of far. Come on, ramp. Oh, now there's 2 ambulances chasing me. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. I can't believe he landed that still. Oh, well, he didn't. He didn't twice. No, there's still an ambulance chasing me. Well, it's kind of funny how this part is just boring the whole time. Unless you cut to the chase. Yeah, this part's boring. I'll see the next crash. So here is the next crash. Yeah, so somehow there's an invisible force field pushing this guy. And then a random person got out the car which you can't see. But, yeah, that's me over there. Yeah, that's me right there. Oh, that's cool. Anyway, so, basically what happened, why does he turn into Lego bricks? Oh, yeah, he turned into Lego bricks as well. Lasagna. Extremely laggy. Oh yeah, this guy, he's about to get kaboomed. Oh no, he's not. Yes, he is. Kaboom. Kaboom. You don't survive. Test me again. I go to the middle of the road. Let's see if I can see myself. Yeah, I'm right there. So I'm pretty sure I always camp around I don't know, like, why did I stop that? Oh wow, he came and gave me a boost. Oh, he anchored me as well. That guy spawned his car. Okay, that was very rude of you to do that. Come back from being AFK. And then I just go around again. One more time. Oh my god, if I don't see myself going around one more time, yeah, I'm gonna run myself over. Where am I? And then I just walk out of the big thing. And now where am I? I'm right here. Whoa, my sensitivity is so fast. Anyway, that is the end of this episode. It's the end of the episode. Well, also at the end of the week on a Friday. It's awesome. Bye bye.